Hello, I'm Pratish Prakash from Robo Inventions, and this is the new robotic platform that we are introducing for educational purpose that is fully Arduino compatible. And this is the Arduino board, that is the robotics development platform that has a NatMega 328 on board and has 32 KBs of programmable flash memory. Okay, and this is the motor shield that has a L298 and an LCD just for display and output to the motors, and it has 4 LEDs just to see the input and output devices and 2 switches for giving as input. This is the chassis that consists of 2 motors and 2 wheels as well as 2 sensors for sensing the lights. These sensors can be used in digital form as well as in analog form. Analog form you can sense the different colors. In digital form you can sense the difference between white and black. And now I will show you a few applications of this board. This is the LCD module for the Arduino, and I will show you a few examples of the LCD module. I am uploading the sketch from the PC to the Arduino. First, it will display the name of the company, Robo Inventions. Then it will blink for 5 times, and then it will scroll left and right. Now I will show you another example of the LCD module called LCD Smarty. This displays the PC's fan speed, temperature and all the other special features on the LCD, and even you can display your email messages on your LCD. I am uploading the sketch for that onto the Arduino board, and within a second it should be uploaded. After uploading, I have to run the software for that. That is LCD Smarty, and then that software will communicate with the Arduino and send it data. Okay, as you can see on the screen, the PC speed and the percentage of the PC that is being used will be directly transmitted to the Smarty screen. So if you want to keep your laptop or your PC without a monitor, you can do that, and you can connect this to just get the information, urgent information like your fan speed and your temperature. Now I will show you an example of a line following robot.
Hello, I am Manish Pradhan, and I will now show you how to connect the robotics platform to Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio and control it using a game controller. But before we connect the robot to the Microsoft Robotic Developer Studio, we have to upload our Arduino sketch to it. This is a sketch which provides the LCD data and the serial communication programming to it. It is uploading the sketch now. After it has uploaded the sketch, you can see it shows Robo Inventions MS RDS 2008 R3 This shows that the sketch has been completely uploaded to the board. Now we will control it using game controller using a Robotic Studio. For Robotic Studio, we have made a service for it by the name of RI Serial Port Service, which communicates to the robot using the serial port. We have initialized the serial port service using the data variable and providing COM11, and this is the program, simple program to control it using the access buttons. Now we'll run the application. It's running the applications. Like you can see, if I press the front key, go front, back, it will go right and left. The USB cable is providing the power as well as it is communicating with the PC.